How to remove watermark from TikTok videos using Capcut. What's up everyone? In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can remove a watermark from the video that you've downloaded from TikTok using Capcut. Let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is open your TikTok and find the video that you want to download. So here is a video that I want to download. So I'm just going to tap on the share button. And from here, I will see an option to save video. So I'm just going to tap on it. Now it will save the video on my gallery. So once the video is saved, what you want to do is open your CapCut. And once your CapCut is open, you just want to import the video. So here is the video that I just imported. The one thing that you need to know is the watermark that are imprinted on the video. These are the ones that you cannot remove using CapCut, but what you can do here is remove the ending part where it says discover more creators on TikTok. So let's see how you can do that. So just get to the part where it ends right here. Now all you have to do here is just split the video at the end. So if you tap on it, you will see an option to split and you can get rid of this last part. So just delete it. And now you can easily enjoy the video without the end watermark. If you found the video helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe. I will see you guys on the next video.